to our channel. In last video we have discussed how to calculate standard deviation. We have calculated standard deviation in discrete series, individual series as well as continuous series also. In today's video we are going to discuss how to calculate combined standard deviation. Standard deviation also have mathematical properties like arithmetic mean. If series is so long, then we can divide series into 2 parts, 3 parts, etc. and then we will get the combined standard deviation. The result will be same whether we are using all series a single standard deviation or dividing a series into 2 or 3 or many parts, and if we are getting the combined standard deviation, the result will be same. So in this video we will learn how to calculate combined standard deviation. We will take one or two example to understand how to calculate combined standard deviation. To calculate combined standard deviation, the very first we should know how to calculate combined arithmetic mean. Already we have gone through with in one video how to calculate combined arithmetic mean. Suppose we are dividing a series into 2 parts, then the very first we have to calculate combined arithmetic mean, that is n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. If we are dividing a series into 3 parts, then x bar will be having n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 plus n3 x bar 3 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. Similarly, we can having so many parts of the series, then we will get the combined, then the result will be equal whether we are having without breaking the series we are calculating arithmetic mean, or after breaking the series into many parts and again we are having combined arithmetic mean, the result will be same. So the very first to get the combined standard deviation, the very first we have to calculate the combined arithmetic mean. Okay, so how many parts is over there? We will have a expansion of this formula for that. Suppose we are having more parts, then that will be having this. So the very first we have decided the symbol of combined arithmetic mean, that is x bar. Okay, now the combined standard deviation, suppose we are having 2 parts 1 and 2, then formula for that, when n1 standard deviation 1 is raised to power 2 and d1 raised to power 2, and 2 standard deviation 2 raised to power 2 and d2 raised to power 2 divided by n1 plus n2. That will be the formula. If we divide a series into 2 parts, then we have to use this formula. n1 standard deviation 1 raised to power 2 plus d1 raised to power 2, and 2 standard deviation 2 raised to power 2 plus d2 raised to power 2 divided by n1 plus n2. For getting d1, that is x bar 1 minus combined standard deviation. For getting 2, x bar 2 minus combined standard deviation. So getting the d1 d2, we will deduct arithmetic mean from, we will deduct combined arithmetic mean from the mean given in the question. Suppose we are having we are having 3 parts, then combined standard deviation will be n1 standard deviation raised to power 2 d1 raised to power 2 plus n2 standard deviation 2 raised to power 2 and d2 raised to power 2 plus n3 standard deviation 3 raised to power 2 plus d3 raised to power 2 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. So how many parts is over there? The formula will be expanded. There will be the expansion of the formula. Whether there is more than 3 parts is over there, then we will add in this in down also. So the d3 will be also x3 minus combined standard deviation. So for getting the combined standard deviation, what we will do? The very first we will get the combined arithmetic mean. How many parts is over there? If 2 parts is over there, this formula is enough. If 3 parts is over there, then we'll write 3 times. If 5 times is over there, then we'll write n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 plus n3 x bar 3 plus n4 x bar 4 plus n5 x bar 5 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 plus n5. Then getting the value of d1, d2, d3. For getting the value, firstly we will take the arithmetic mean given, we will detect combined arithmetic mean given minus combined arithmetic mean, arithmetic mean of second series minus combined arithmetic mean of third series minus combined arithmetic mean. Then we will get the value of d1, d2, d3. So it's very simple. If 3 item is over there, then the formula will be applied under root n1 standard deviation 1 raised to power 2 plus d1 raised to power 2 plus n2 standard deviation 2 raised to power 2 plus d2 raised to power 2 plus n3 standard deviation 3 raised to power 2 plus d3 raised to power 2 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. If more item is over there, then we will having the expansion of the formula is over there. So this with the help of this combined arithmetic combined standard deviation, if series is so long, then we can easily calculate the standard deviation without having so many calculation and without having so many problems. So in this video we are learning how to calculate combined standard deviation. Okay, so we are having some questions of the combined standard deviation that may be helpful you to learn how to calculate combined standard deviation is over there. So that will be helpful for you. Okay, suppose we are having 1 or 2 questions to solve the combined standard deviation, that will be helpful for us to learn how to. Suppose we are having in one series we are having 2 parts. One part contains n1 is 40 and 2 is 60. Arithmetic mean of first is given 20, arithmetic mean 2 is given 25, standard deviation of 1 is given 6 and standard deviation 2 is given 9. So we have to calculate combined arithmetic mean of the data. What we have to calculate? We have given 100 items. We break the 100 item in 2 series. One contains 40, second contains 60 items. The arithmetic mean of the first series is 20 and arithmetic mean of the second series is 25. Standard deviation of the first series is 6 and standard deviation of the second series is 9. We have to calculate the combined standard deviation of the both of the series. So the very first, for getting the combined arithmetic standard deviation, we will firstly get combined standard arithmetic mean, that is n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. We are writing x bar 1, so 1, 2 or combined arithmetic mean. So here 40 multiply by 20 plus 60 multiply by 25 divided by 40 plus 60. So the very first we will calculate the combined arithmetic mean of the data, that is 40 multiply by 20, 800, 60 multiply by 25, 1500, 2300 divided by 100, that is 23. So the combined mean is 23. So value of d1, that is x bar 1 minus combined standard deviation. So 20 minus 23, that is minus 3. d2, value of d2 standard deviation x bar 2 minus combined standard deviation, that is 25 minus 23, that is 2. For getting the combined arithmetic mean, the formula will be applicable combined standard deviation 1 to 2, that is n1 standard deviation 1 raised to power 2 d1 raised to power 2 plus n2 standard deviation 2 raised to power 2 and d2 raised to power 2 divided by n1 plus n2. So the value of n1 is 40, standard deviation 1 raised to power 2, it means 6 raised to power 2 plus d1 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2 plus value of n2 is 60, standard deviation 2 raised to power 2, 9 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 2 d2 divided by n1 plus n2. that is 40 plus 60. Okay. So this will be 40, 36 plus 9 plus 60, 81 plus 4 divided by 100. So the value will be 36 plus 9, that is 45, multiply by 40, that is 1800. 60 multiply 85, that is 5100 divided by 100. So that will be 6900 divided by 100. Value 8.306. So the combined standard deviation will be 8.306. 66. So the value of combined arithmetic mean, that will be 8.306. Okay, I am seeing whether it is visible or not. So it's visible now, no problem at all. So it's very easy to calculate. For getting the combined arithmetic mean, what we have to do? The very first we will get the combined arithmetic mean, that is n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Then we will get the value of d1 d2. For d1, arithmetic mean of first minus combined arithmetic mean. For getting value of d2, we will having arithmetic mean of second series minus combined arithmetic mean. Then we will apply the formula, that is n1 standardization 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 standardization 2 square plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. So if you are getting any kind of the problem that is related to the combined standard deviation, it's very easy to calculate. I am giving another one example so that it will be make you perfect in calculating combined arithmetic mean, combined standard deviation. We are having another one question, what to calculate. So that we are having a command on this. In another one questions, we are having 3 items, n1 having 200, n2 250, and 3 value have 300. Value of x bar 1, that is 25, value of x bar 2, that is 10, or value of x bar 3, that is 15. Value of standard deviation 1, that is 3. Value of standard deviation 2 is 4, and value of standard deviation 3 is 5. 3, 4 and 5. We are to prove that the combined arithmetic mean will be 16 and combined standard deviation 1, 2, 3, that will be 7.2. We are to prove, it means we have given 3 items, n1, n2, n3. The value of n1 is 200, value of n2 is 250, and value of n3 is 300. Arithmetic mean of the first item is 25. Arithmetic mean of the second series is 10. Arithmetic mean of the third series is 15 given. Standard deviation of the first is given 3, standard deviation of second is given 4, and standard deviation of third is given 5. Then we have to prove that our combined arithmetic mean will be 16 and combined standard deviation will be 7.2. So the very first we have to calculate combined arithmetic mean 1, 2, that is n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 plus n3 x bar 3 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. The formula for that combined arithmetic mean, that is 200 multiplied by 25 plus 250, and value of n2, value of x2 is 10, value of n3, that is 300, value of x3 is 15, divided by n1 is 200, n2 is 250, and 3 is 300. So the combined arithmetic mean will be 200 multiplied by 25, that is 5,000, 2500, 4500 divided by 750. So that will be 12,000 divided by 750. So value is 16. So it is proved. The very first we have to prove that the combined arithmetic mean is 16. So we have calculated the combined arithmetic mean, and that is 16. Okay. So the very first answer we got that is 16. Second one, we have to calculate combined standard deviation. We have to calculate the combined standard deviation. For getting the combined standard deviation, firstly we will get the value of D1, D2 and D3. Okay. So D1, value of D1, that is x bar 1 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 25 minus 16, that is 9. Value of D2, x bar 2 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 10 minus 16, that is minus 6. Value of D3, x3 minus combined arithmetic mean, that is 15 minus 16, that is minus 1. For getting combined standard deviation, we will use the formula standard deviation 1, 2, 3, that is N1, standard deviation 1 raised to power 2, D1 raised to power 2, N2, standard deviation 2 raised to power 2, D2 raised to power 2, standard deviation 3, D3, N3, standard deviation 3 raised to power 2 and D3 raised to power 2, divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. We have to use this formula. Okay. Now standard deviation combined 1, 2, 3. The value of N1 is 200. Standard deviation 1 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, plus 9 raised to power 2. Value of N2 is equal to 250. Standard deviation 2 raised to power 2, it means 4 raised to power 2, and minus 6 raised to power 2. Plus D3 value, N3 value 300. Standard deviation 3 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 2 and minus 1 raised to power 2. Divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. So the value 200, 9 plus 81, 250, 16 plus 36 plus 300, 25 plus 1 divided by 750. Okay. Now we will solve this. 200 multiplied by 90. 81 plus 9, 90. That 1800, 18,000. 52. 250 plus 52. 13,000. 300 plus 26. 7,800 divided by 750. 38800 divided 750. Getting the under root of this 7.2. So the value of this is 7.2. So it's very easy to calculate combined standard deviation. We have done 2 questions. In second question, we are to prove that the combined standard arithmetic mean is 16 and combined standard deviation is 7.2. So we have calculated the combined standard deviation and we got the result same as in the question was asking. So I think this video, with the help of this video, you may solve any kind of the problem of the combined standard deviation. I think this video will be helpful you to learn combined standard deviation. Thank you.